The first step in inventory management is the purchase order, which is recorded through the purchase order module. Next will be to record these items once they arrive. For receiving items with or without a purchase order, record these items using the receiving module. There will be a Receive with PO checkbox, so if the items received have a linked purchase order, make sure this box is checked and select the PO reference number. Otherwise, uncheck it and the PO number field will be disabled automatically. Then manually enter the items received and quantity. If for some reason you want to return the items, it could be due to defects, damages, or they simply delivered the wrong product. You can do so in the Purchase Return module. For converting items into other items or changing their unit of measurement, we have the Inventory Conversion module. Here you can enter a single item to convert, and at the bottom, you can enter one or multiple items if you want. For adjusting inventory balance, use the Adjustments module instead. You can adjust multiple items in a single transaction.